Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how ascending and descending function works in PySpark. So, ascending and descending function used to sort the column. So, in this exercise, we are going to see how ascending and descending function works in PySpark. In this exercise, we are importing the required libraries from these two packages. I am creating a CSV list variable. In that list variable, I am storing address of two CSV file which we are going to read with the help of this custom data frame. We are creating custom data frame with the help of a struct type and the struct field. With the help of a struct field, I am defining the column name and the data type. So AP ID is of integer type, AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, and AP city. These are this is the custom schema, and these are the columns name. With the help of a spark.read.csv function, we are reading the CSV file by passing this list variable which has address of the CSV file with the help of this custom schema which we have just created. And we are also saying that Databricks that the header is equal to true, means the CSV file which we are reading has header value, means first row would be the header of the CSV file. When this data frame gets created, we are going to sort the record with the help of a sort function by passing name of the column, and here this ascending function is telling that sort on AP name in ascending order, means first lower value and then the higher value, and if it is the alphabet, then it will sort with the help of A, B, C, like this. Here we are saying the same thing, sort with AP underscore name column with the help of a sort function with descending order. So what descending order it will do? First highest and then lowest. In the alphabet, it will start from the Z and it will end with A. When these two data frame gets created, we will see the content with the help of a display function. So till here, so till here, reading the CSV file and creating the data frame, we have done multiple times in the previous video. Go and watch how we can read the CSV file and create the data frame out of it. I will copy these codes from my previous exercises and we will see only these two things, how ascending and descending function works in Databricks. So let's go to the Databricks and see how it works. So let's create a notebook. Name it ascending and descending. Connect this notebook with our running cluster. Now let's copy the code till we are going to read the CSV file and create a data frame out of it. This, with the help of this code, we are going to import all the required libraries. With the help of this code, we are going to create a custom schema with the help of a struct type and struct field. Here we are reading the CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv. This is the path of the CSV, and this is the custom data frame which we are creating over here. So let's run the code. This schema has been created successfully. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. Now, what I am just doing now, I am just selecting AP name column. Select. Let's see. You can see this is the column, and it has value like. So we can see whenever we are displaying only the column name AP name, it is ordered in this way. Now let's see how ascending and descending function works. What I am just doing, I am just selecting this data frame and sorting it with the help of a column AP underscore name. And how it will going to sort? It will going to sort with the help of a ascending function. Let's run it. Let's display this column. We can see this AP name. This data frame has been sorted with the help with AP name in descending order. What descending order means? A to Z, then I, M, S, S, Y. So it has been sorted in ascending order. Let's sort it in the descending order and see how it looks like. Let's run this. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's display the content. Now we can see descending order means higher to lower, and in the case of alphabet, Z to A. That's why the first column, first record is Yogita. The alphabet is starting with Y, then S, then M, then I. In the ascending order, first name started with alphabet I and the last name started with alphabet Y. So in this way, we have seen that how ascending and descending function works in PySpark. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.